Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making chips and dip. First I'm going to put a pot on the stove and then I'm going to turn it on medium heat. I'm going to be using 1 pound of ground beef. This is all the ground beef that we had, but if we had more, I would definitely have used more. So now I'm just going to chop up the meat. Now after separating the meat, I'm going to take a block of cheese and I'm going to cut it up to help it melt faster. Also, this is the cheese that I'm using. It's a Great Value cheese. Or you can use Velveeta block of cheese. It doesn't matter. It still tastes the same. So now I'm cutting the block of cheese. Cutting is very satisfying to me. I like watching cutting in fast motion. Or in slow as well. But yeah. Here, I'm going to show you guys me cutting the last few pieces into cubes. I noticed that the meat was burning a bit, so I mixed the meat up. So yeah, this is all the cheese that I cut up. I cut up the whole pack. I don't know if I've already said that. But here's how the squares look. Now I'm going to cut up a whole medium-sized onion. So I'm just going to cut it in half. And then slice it normally. And then I'm gonna like that. I don't know how to explain that way of cutting. Now I'm gonna chop it and then it's gonna turn into cubes. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other half of the onion. Okay, so I removed the meat off the stove while I was cutting the onion because it started cooking too fast. So now I put the meat back on the stove and now I'm going to add the onions along with it. Okay, now I'm just mixing in the onions so that they can cook evenly. And there are also some big pieces that I missed when cutting the onions, so I'm just going to cut that with the spatula. Okay, Moots came into the dining room. She wanted a piece, so I gave her a piece of cheese. And here I gave her another piece of cheese. And I was doing a photo shoot for her, but she got up because she wanted a piece of cheese. And we got busted by Dega, so he had to take a piece as well. Now I'm going to use these diced tomatoes with chilies, green chilies to be exact. Now, one of them had a thing that you could pull open with your finger. The other one had to use a can opener. So I'm just opening the one that didn't have the pull thing with the can opener. So now that the meat and onions are pretty much done, I'm going to add black pepper and some seasoned salt. Wait, that says Nature Seasons. I don't know what that is. It tastes like seasoned salt though. But now I'm going to add all the cheese. Okay, so here the cheese started to melt. Also off camera, I added in about a splash of water because the cheese started sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to add in the tomatoes and green chilies. I'm not going to drain the juice from it. Both cans. And then I'm just going to mix that well. Okay guys, here's how the chips and dip turned out. I paired it with some tortilla chips. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.